It's a huge jolt to the Congress in Uttarakhand, with long-time party loyalist Satpal Maharaj crossing over to the BJP. Not only does this further strengthen the Modi wave in the state, the move could also topple the Congress government in Uttarakhand. The Harish Rawat government is in minority now, and the party is in hectic parleys to save its government.
A new day and new allies for BJP. Friday saw a big-name congressman join the Modi brigade. Also in the line was former top bureaucrat and now JDU rebel N.K. Singh. It is nothing less than a coup for the BJP. The tremors of this hug in Delhi are being felt all the way up to the hill state of Uttarakhand. Tremors which may very well topple the Congress government in the state. Long-time Congressman Satpal Maharaj yesterday joined the BJP after professing his loyalty to Congress just a couple of hours earlier.
Actually, my area was devastated by the floods, and a lot of the work was to be done and it was neglected, and that made me really angry, and I was frustrated.
But what's worrying for the Congress alliance government in Uttarakhand are claims by Maharaj that he will take 6 MLAs along with him to BJP. This would reduce the government's tally in the 70-seat Uttarakhand Assembly from 40 to 33, enough to topple the state government. Baffled Congress leaders are still coming to terms with the loss.
राजनीति में ये विशेषकर जब चुनाव आता है, लोकसभा के या विधानसभा के चुनाव आते हैं, तो इस तरह की घटनाएं, लोगों को सम्मिलित होना, छोड़ना, ये घटनाएं होती रहती हैं।
सतपाल महाराज का अपना फेलियर जो आपदाग्रस्त क्षेत्र के लोगों के साथ वो नहीं दिखाई दी है, और हमारा आग्रह कि आप चुनाव लड़िए वहां से, ये दोनों ने उनको बीजेपी की तरफ भेजा।
According to sources, Maharaj was not comfortable with Chief Minister Harish Rawat's working. He was also reportedly annoyed with the Rawat's refusal to give his wife, also a Congress MLA, the horticulture portfolio. The move is also being seen as part of Garhwal versus Kumaon rift.
मैं अपनी तरफ से और पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी परिवार की तरफ से श्री सतपाल महाराज का भारतीय जनता पार्टी में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं।
Also expected to join the Modi bandwagon is JDU leader N.K. Singh, who quit the party yesterday. The fresh inflows into BJP just before elections, though being celebrated by the party, are also being viewed with suspicion by a large part of its cadre, who feel that they may be sidelined to accommodate the turncoats. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.